Can I relate to you a magnificent, uplifting story from last weekend? Cardinal Timothy Dolan here. Thanks for joining me. I've often told you how much I relish going to our parishes. We got 300 of them here in the Archdiocese, and I can't get enough of them. And one of the happy times I like going to parishes is when I have the privilege of installing a new pastor, which either myself or one of my wonderful auxiliary bishops do. Saturday, I was at Good Shepherd Parish in the Inwood neighborhood up in the northern part of Manhattan, a vibrant, wonderful, historic, beloved parish where I had the honor of installing Father George Sears as pastor. The place was filled, the Mass was beautiful, the choir magnificent, the servers, oh my God, the ushers, the Knights of Columbus, the lectors, it was all to a T, but the sense of pride in their new pastor. You know what pastor means? It's the Latin word for shepherd. And I thought how beautiful at Good Shepherd Parish, Jesus is the real pastor. Jesus is the good shepherd. This parish dedicated to the good shepherd. We're all installing a pastor. I said to the people, pastors come and go, you remain. Jesus is the heart of this parish. Your pastor acts in his name, but you're the sheep. And you've never let this flock down. And I love you and I treasure you. And may our parishes continue to thrive, the real heart of the church.